Hello future doctors, welcome you all to another wonderful session of Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and this is Dr. Radha Subramaniam, and we are going to continue discussing the previous year NEET 2021 solved questions from chemistry. So as I have already told you, we will be completing the 2021 questions first and then chemistry, and then we will move on to the previous year's question paper, and we will be solving at a time a few questions. And today the first question is the following solutions were prepared by dissolving 10 gram of glucose C12H12O6 in 250 ml of water, that is P1, 10 gram of urea, that is CH4N2O in 250 ml of water, that is P2, and 10 gram of sucrose, that is C12H12O11 in 250 ml of water, which is P3. So the right option for the decreasing order of osmotic pressure of these solution will be, the options given are P1 greater than P2 greater than P3, P2 greater than P3 greater than P1, and P3 greater than P1 greater than P2, P2 greater than P1 greater than P3. So as you all know, the osmotic pressure pi is equal to ICRT, where C is the molar concentration of the solution. Okay. So when molar concentration increases, osmotic pressure also increases, because these two are directly proportional to each other, that is osmotic pressure and molar concentration will increase. Okay, then you can see that in the question weights of all solutes and its solution volumes, these are all equal. Okay, so the molar mass of the solute will be higher. So because if molar mass of the solute is higher, then the molar concentration will be smaller and osmotic pressure also will be smaller. Okay. So the order will be sucrose P3 greater than P1 greater than P2, that is sucrose, glucose, urea. So the correct order of osmotic pressure will be option 4, which is P2 greater than P1 greater than P3. See, this is written in the reverse order as per options given in the question. Hope you understood and this is clear for you. Okay, now we will move on to the next question. The major product, this is from organic chemistry, formed in the dehydrogenation reaction of 2-bromopentane is pent-2-ene. So this product formation is based on what rule? First, Hund's rule, Hoffman's rule, Huckel's rule and Zaitsev's rule. So option is for Zaitsev's rule. So what is the explanation for the answer to this question? You know, what is Zaitsev's rule? That you should be thorough with all these rules, Hund's rule or Hoffman's rule, only if you know, because you will get questions indirectly like this. So that only if you are able to identify what sort of reaction it is, you will be able to judge the correct answer. So Zaitsev's rule says that, see, whenever a dehydrogenation reaction takes place, the preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. So the preference is given to that product, that alkene which has got the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. So let us look here. See, this is 2-bromopentane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHBr, CH3. Okay, it undergoes dehydrogenation reaction. We get two products, product 1 and product 2. So product 1 is CH3, CH2, CH. So one H will go here and a double bond will form here, Br will go CH, CH3. So this is pent-2-ene, that is 81%. See, both sides we are having alkyl group to double bonded carbon atoms. The product is 81%, this is the priority product, and this second part is only 19% pent-1-ene, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond CH2. So this is product 2, that is CH3, CH2, again CH2, CH, this bromine will go and here double bond will come and this CH3 will become CH2. So this is option according to option 4, Zaitsev's rule. Hope this is very clear for you and all of you understood this question. Okay, now next question is an organic compound. You know, the structures of beryllium chloride in solid state and vapor phase are, they are giving 4 options: linear in both, dimer and linear respectively, chain in both, then chain and dimer respectively. So before I explain the solution to this question. Let us see what is dimer. So dimer, it's nothing but it consists of two monomers. Monomer, polymer and all that, so many long chain is polymer, just one is monomer joined by bonds which can be either strong bond or weak bond, and that can be covalent or intermolecular, whatever it is, intermolecular, whatever it is, that is what we call as dimer. And according to the question, what they are asking, structures of beryllium chloride in solid state and vapor phase. Okay, now beryllium chloride has a chain structure in solid state. So in solid state, this is the chain structure for beryllium chloride. Okay, Be, then Cl2, Cl2, again Be, like this it comes. Okay, now what happens in vapor state? In vapor phase, beryllium chloride forms a chloro-bridged dimer. So the bridging is by chlorine, see, Cl, Be, again Be, Cl, and between these two Be here also. So this is what we call as a dimer, and it is a chloro-bridged dimer. So what is the correct option to this question? Chain structure, that is which is in solid state, then dimer, that is in vapor phase. So option 4 is the correct choice. And this question and all similar type of question can come regularly from organic chemistry and all that, based upon various reactions and these dimer formation and all that. It's very important. Okay, we'll be discussing lots of questions from the previous year's question paper, so don't worry. Your only task is to revise or go through all these questions along with the NCERT textbook. Mainly you focus in inorganic chemistry from the textbook, direct questions will come mostly, and refer to each and every diagram. So once we work out all these question papers, you also will be thorough, because I don't want to conduct Menti or anything, because just very bright students only get some benefit out of Menti, because moderate students and those who are not very clear with the concepts, just by working out, and you will be demotivated if you score low marks for the Menti. So for such students, it's better always to stick to worked out question papers like this, and first task is to become thorough with the concepts before you move on to Menti and all that. That's why I am not conducting Menti for you. So I think more beneficial would be revising these questions and various question papers, learning different tricks and all that. At this stage is the most important thing we have to do right now at this stage. But for bright students, those are already finished the revisions and you are thorough with the portions. For them, Menti and all are okay, I agree. But for most of the students, I think that this method of learning will be more suitable, because many students are asking how to do last minute revisions for NEET exams, how to prepare, because board exams are also going on and you will be getting only short time to revise everything. So by this way you will be finding portions more easy, and you will be more motivated, you won't lose your self confidence. Okay, that is my opinion. Okay, yeah, next question. Then the incorrect statement among the following is they have given you 4 statements and you have to find out the incorrect statement. First is, most of the trivalent lanthanoid ion are colorless in solid state, and they are talking about the lanthanoids. So only if you know the properties of lanthanoids, you will be able to answer this question. Then second one, lanthanoids are good conductors of heat and electricity. Then actinoids are highly reactive metals, especially when finely divided. The actinoid contraction is greater for element to element than lanthanoid contraction. See, 2, 3 and 4, these are all correct statements. Only incorrect statement from this is the first one, these are colorless in solid state. That is wrong, it is incorrect. Okay, so I will be uploading a complete question paper. I will be solving all the questions from chemistry part for you for all these years 2021, but in between also I will be uploading various tricks and important concepts for you, so that you will be finding to solve the question paper easily for the NEET exam. And coming Sunday we will be having a special session that we will be showing you the first year MBBS. Those who are moving on to first year MBBS will be finding this video really useful. You got one of the former students who has consented and she is kind enough to share with us all the textbooks for the first year MBBS, and she will be presenting it as a video, and that will be uploaded in 2 parts. So those who are really interested in knowing what you are going to learn for the first year MBBS, what is waiting for you once you cross that NEET exam and you get into college, you start your college. I am sure you all will be interested to know what all books you are going to learn, because there is a sudden change from 12th standard to first year MBBS. Your dream course is waiting for you. Okay, so for such students, I am positive that you will be finding this video really helpful for you, and we will be uploading it in this coming Sunday. And also I am really happy to say that I am seeing more and more students subscribing to the channel every day. So I wish you all the very best from the bottom of my heart. I am thanking you, and as well as I am praying for you all that you do the exams well, and you will be bringing pride for your family, your parents, by getting a dream seat in the most prestigious medical college. And all of you revise well and be self-confident. Don't lose your confidence. Don't be afraid on how to face the examination. If you really work hard, surely anyone can crack NEET. There is no doubt about it. So with that, I am coming to a close of today's session. Thanks for watching, and I will be soon coming back with another wonderful video. Bye.